Welcome back guys to another video. Today's video again it's a power bank unboxing and first impression video. Today's power bank is from Samsung. It's their wireless battery pack. It's a wireless charger and you can charge it of course with wire too. First of all, as we can see, it's written wireless battery pack, wireless X-ray AVIC charge, Parrot Sense Fill. It's portable wireless charging. You can use it for your Galaxy Watch. No, it's not for Apple Watch, sadly. Just you can use it for your Galaxy Watch and iPhone, and the iPhones that is capable of wireless charging, and the Samsungs that are supported for wireless charging. When you open it, you have the power bank and a quick start guide. Let me put that away. And now let me pull this. We have a USB type A to USB type C cable. First of all, when you open it, let me focus it. As we can see, you will put your phone here, and if you want to know the percentage that's on, it's here. And you use this for charging your phone, and you use this place for your output for charging the power bank. Now I have a Samsung phone. This is a Samsung S10 Plus. You just put it on here. As we can see, 92%, it charges automatically. Now, let me use this. And now let's use it with a cable. As we can see, it charges. And now let's test that with an iPhone. I have an iPhone 6, iPhone X, sorry, iPhone X, or look, 92% charging. Newer than iPhone X or iPhone 11 or iPhone 12, they all support wireless fast charging, so you can use this with this power bank. It lasts 4 to 5 charges, but not fully. I mean, for example, you can use 3 charges, 1 to 100, 0 to 100. It's pretty fast too, and it's 10,000 milliamp hours. That's it actually. And this was an unboxing and first impression of the wireless pack by Samsung. I hope that it was useful, and catch you guys in another video. Peace out.